So guys, how to gradually increase or decrease the audio level in Filmora? It's really simple. If we use our default fade in, this will only affect the start of our audio clip. Same goes for the fade out. Let's move to the end. See, here we have our fade out. But suppose we want to fade out around here from 8 second to 9 second. So how to do it? For that, move the playhead to 8 second. Then go to right side. Make a keyframe for volume by clicking on this icon. Then move the playhead to 9 second and reduce the volume. Let's hear it. See, gradually decreasing or fade out. Now to fade in again from 14 second to 15 second, just move the playhead to the proper point. Make a keyframe again. Move the playhead to the second point, 15th second. Increase the volume to 0 or the default one. Totally up to you. Also, if you want to change the duration of the fade in and fade out, simply just single left click on the key point, left click, hold and drag it where you want. If you want to delete the point, just select and delete. So guys, that's how easily we can gradually increase or decrease the audio level in Filmora. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.